In front of me is HOTWAV W11, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by accessing Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, open it. You can mute the music by clicking at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. Click at the bottom right corner and choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Then click Yes. Tap on this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back, click Set Wallpaper and pick one of those options to apply it on home screen or both home screen and lock screen. When you finished, just close your app. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!